Listen. I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Your manifestation isn't delayed, you're delaying it, not on purpose. But definitely by habit, because you're doing something that feels normal. But it's killing everything you're trying to create. You keep checking, you wake up, you think about what you want for a second. Then your brain goes straight to, okay, but where is it? You look at your life as it is right now. And you treat that as the final truth. That's the problem, because the moment you do that, you've already decided nothing has changed, and then you wonder why nothing changes. Let me make this very simple. You say you want money. But your daily mindset is, I don't have enough. You say you want a relationship. But deep down it's not happening for me. You say you want peace. But you keep reacting to every small thing like your life is still chaotic. So what exactly is your mind supposed to follow? What you say once a day? Or what you repeat all day without realizing, because your mind doesn't care about your intentions. It locks onto your default, and your default is still the old version of you. That's why nothing moves, not because it's coming, because you keep going back. Every single time, you get a little hope. Then you ruin it by checking reality again. It's like planting a seed and digging it up every day just to see if it's growing. Of course nothing shows up, you're not letting anything stay long enough to become real, and here's where most people mess up badly. They think they need to feel positive all the time. No, that's fake and it doesn't last. What you actually need is to stop switching sides. Right now, you're doing this. 1 minute, it's mine. Next minute, why is it not here? Next minute, maybe it's working. Then, no, this is pointless. Pick one. Because reality can't follow confusion. If you keep changing your inner position, nothing has a stable direction to move toward. So here's what fixing it actually looks like. No fancy words. You decide what's yours, and then you stop arguing with that decision. That's it. Not affirming 1,000 times. Not visualizing perfectly. Just stop going against yourself. You don't need to believe it 100% at first, but you do need to stop feeding the opposite story, because right now, you're doing more damage with your doubts than progress with your techniques. And I'll say something most people avoid: you don't actually have a manifestation problem, you have a discipline problem, not external discipline. Internal, you let every thought pull you in a different direction, you react to everything you see, you let your current reality decide how you feel, and then you expect a new reality to show up. It doesn't work like that. Your current reality is just old decisions playing out. If you keep reacting to it, you keep choosing it again, so nothing changes. Fixing manifestation is not about doing more, it's about stopping this loop. Look. React. Doubt. Repeat, break that. And things start shifting, so next time you catch yourself thinking, why is it not here yet? Don't try to force a positive thought, just pause and realize, you're doing the same thing again. You're going back to the version of you who doesn't have it, and if you keep doing that, you'll keep getting the same result. Simple. So instead, do something different. Not dramatic, not loud, just stop engaging with that thought. Let it pass, and return to your decision like it's already settled. That's it. That's the shift. It's not exciting. It's not flashy, but it's the one thing almost nobody does consistently, and that's exactly why most people stay stuck. You don't need more methods. You need to stop interfering, because the truth is, it's not that your manifestation is slow, it's that you keep hitting the brakes without realizing it.